Hello guys and machas. This weekend I took a ride to Sakleshpur, which is around 220 kilometers from Bengaluru. On the way, I took a short break at this roadside restaurant, enjoyed some tea, soaked in the slow morning vibes, and then continued my journey towards Shravanabelagola. There is a temple at the top of the hill, and it took me around 30 minutes to climb up. The view from the top is totally worth it. Peaceful, calm, it's one of those places where you just pause for a moment and take everything in. If you are planning for a quick ride from Bengaluru, this route is honestly perfect. Smooth roads and scenic views. This is a giant temple that dates back to 3rd century. The idol here is carved out of a single stone and it's absolutely massive. Then I resumed my ride to Sakleshpura. The road to my homestay felt like a dream. By the time I arrived, it was already 6 p.m. I freshened up, sipped some evening tea by the campfire, and let the day slow down. Over the dinner, the host mentioned a hidden spot. Something special was waiting for me the next morning. I woke up early to explore the property. The morning began with a bird song echoing through the coffee plantation. And by the way, this homestay sits right in the middle of it. The views were calm, fresh, and full of life. After soaking it in all, I quickly got ready as my host was already waiting for me. From there, I had to take a 4x4 jeep. The trail ahead was steep, rough, and risky. Not something I wanted to try on my bike. And with no network around, there was no room for mistakes. The jeep went as far as it could and then stopped. The rest had to be covered on foot. As I crossed a no trespassing sign and walked ahead, it suddenly felt unreal. A curved railway bridge appeared out of nowhere, quietly standing in the middle of a dense forest. Then the jeep driver asked me to wait. He said a train would be passing by any moment, and within minutes, I heard it. A long goods train slowly making its way across the bridge. For a second, it took me back to those childhood memories, like watching the Hogwarts Express crossing the bridge. After that surreal moment, I continued my journey to Bisley Viewpoint, about 16 kilometers from there, where endless mountain ranges stretch as far as I could see. From there, I headed to Manjrabad Fort. A short climb led me to the star-shaped fort, dating back to the 18th century. From the top, you can see the stretches of hills and greenery around. Pretty calm up there. A nice change of pace. Finally, I wrapped up the weekend with a simple, delicious lunch, carrying back memories that felt straight out of a movie.